All right, here we go. New inventory alert. 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L Plus. 37,000 miles. Clean Carfax. Very nice van. Belonged to one of our customers. He bought a brand new van and traded this one in. So I'm going to give you the grand tour here. It is a 2020 Touring L Plus Pacifica Velvet Red Metallic. Beautiful color. Nice tires. All dealer serviced its whole life. We are a Braunability dealer and service center. We do sell new and used. If you need any hand controls or any adaptive equipment, just let us know. We are happy to help. This van does have a passenger side easy lock system. Very nice condition. 37,000 miles, no accidents. Clean title, of course. It's got good tires, I would say. Better than 70% new on the tires. This van needs absolutely nothing. It is an XT Touring L conversion. This has the maximum amount of space that you can get in a Braunability conversion. Feel free to give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. Happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. We are 47 years in business. We have financing. We sell new and used conversion vans, handicap vans, wheelchair vans. Just feel free to give us a call. We're happy to help, point you in the right direction. We can sell anywhere in the world. We can ship. Whatever you need, we take trade-ins. Any type of trade-ins, just let us know what you have. Any vehicles we take in trade. It's a power side entry ramp with a kneeling system. Beautiful black leather interior. Does have a passenger side easy lock system there. Does have rear entertainment with the big screens. These fold down also and fold back, which is a great setup. I'll point out any flaws I can find so you know exactly what you're looking at. Beautiful leather interior, very nice van, good shape. The interior has a few minor little scratches on some of the panels just from the wheelchair going in and out. The passenger seat has a few little marks there just from the wheelchair going in and out. And on a couple of the panels by the door, got a few little marks here. Other than that, it's pretty much like a brand new van. It's very nice inside. $37,035 miles. Got navigation, fully loaded out. Touring L Plus. It's a Braunability XT, dual doors, kneeling system. We'll get a set of wheelchair tie downs with this van as well. We are a Q-Strength dealer. We will throw in a brand new set of wheelchair tie downs with this van. Show you how the wheelchair ramp works. Van does come with 2 keys. Feel free to give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. Happy to help at any time. 37,000 miles, 2020 Pacifica Touring L. Clean Carfax, clean title. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Feel free to call us at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Let us know what you have in trade. If you need financing, we are happy to help. We can deliver this right to your driveway anywhere in the world. Thank you.